In the heart of Egypt, where the desert sands whisper stories of ancient times, exists a mystical phenomenon that's captivating both locals and scholars alike. Known as the echoes of the Nile, these strange sounds have sparked intrigue and speculation, inviting us to delve deeper into the mystical experiences they offer. As the sun sets over the timeless grandeur of the Nile, an inexplicable symphony echoes across the waters. This isn't just an auditory encounter, but a deep, spiritual resonance that bridges centuries, linking the present to Egypt's ancient past. These sounds, often described as hauntingly beautiful, seem to originate from traditional musical instruments, ancient hymns, and natural echoes that have reverberated through time. It is believed that this otherworldly music emanates from sacred sites along the Nile, such as the Great Pyramids of Giza and the temples of Luxor and Karnak. These are places where history and spirituality converge, creating an acoustic tapestry that enchants those fortunate enough to hear it. Some historians suggest that these echoes might be reverberations of ancient rituals, perhaps whispers from the time of the pharaohs themselves. In contrast, scientists are more inclined to consider the effects of unique topographical features around the Nile, which could create unusual sound waves that we perceive as ethereal music. Yet, for those who find themselves absorbed in these harmonies, it feels like a rare chance to experience a sensory journey into a culture deeply rooted in the divine mysteries of life and death. These echoes have been said to evoke profound emotions, invoking a connection with something greater than oneself. Thus, travelers and spiritual seekers flock here, determined to capture even a fleeting moment of this enchantment. As the mysteries of the Nile continue to unfold, these sounds remind us of the rich and complex tapestry of human history. They echo not just the melodies of the past, but also the endless curiosity and wonder of those who journey along one of the oldest and most storied rivers in the world.